everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aditi and I really hope you guys are doing fantastic. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some easy peasy Vaseline hacks. You must be wondering like Vaseline is used to just apply on your lips or on your heels, but there are so many hacks that you can work from a Vaseline. I know it's quite big, like and yeah, I'm going to tell you some Vaseline hacks, so if you want to know, then please continue watching. So my first hack about Vaseline is it really prevents your lashes from getting clumped, or it prevents your mascara from clumping. Like sometimes you have noticed that when you apply mascara, your eyelashes stuck with each other. So to avoid that, what you can do is take some Vaseline like this, warm it up a little in between your fingers and press it on your eyelash like this. By this way, it will give your lashes a smooth canvas to work on. Now take the mascara. So yes, it really helps in a smooth application. Number 2 is it really helps your brow hair to stay in place. Like what you can do is take some Vaseline like this, apply it on your brow hair, and now comb up your hair. By this, your hair will stay in place. Now my third hack is it is like a natural highlighter. What you can do is simply take the product in your hand and apply it like this. And it will act as a natural highlighter. Now my number 4th hack is it really helps to tame your baby hair. Like I have really frizzy hair in this weather. So what I do is now my 5th hack is adding to this baby hair hack. You can also treat your split ends with this Vaseline, just like
I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure.
Hack number 6 is it really helps your perfume to last long. How? So when you always wonder why your perfume did not last long, so what you can do is take some Vaseline and apply it like here, here and here. When your skin is moisturized, perfume stays for longer time. So moisturize your skin where you want to apply it, and now take the perfume . Do not rub it like this. By this way, it will not stay. So just let it dry over here.
I guess you're back.
Now my 7th hack is like if you are going to apply a liquid lipstick, it really makes your lips chapped. So for a smooth application, you can use Vaseline. How?
Just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain, 'cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain.
And now my last and final hack is you can easily remove your makeup, your lipstick using this hack. How?
'Cause you are the only one. The only one. 'Cause you are the only one. The only
It has removed all my makeup. You can see this tissue, it is like quite dirty now, and I need another tissue to wipe off whatever is left. So till then I get a new tissue to wipe it off. You can comment below what is your favorite hack, or tell me something new in the comment section below which I don't know. I will really like to try it. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and I'll see you in my next video.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply.